So now we have a snowstorm that's coming in. Winter Storm Scott is really bearing down on us right now. So let's look at the Mid-Atlantic right now. This is the GFS for the Mid-Atlantic. Here we go. It's loading. Hey, looks like, yep, it's working. So just wanted to check. Look at that. The 994 millibar storm. This is the GFS though. Look at the total precipitation accumulation for New York City. Yeah. Right in eastern Queens, all the way through Long Island, so Massachusetts. But let's see. Let's look at the, not this ref, just let's look at the current setup right now. Let's look at the Mid-Atlantic. This is looking at the dam nest, dam 3 kilometer dam. That's one model, but however, most of them are, I think it's going to get some pretty heavy precip. Look at this, really impressive. And this is going to have it ending around 8 a.m. Let's look at snowfall here for New York City. 10 inches, nice. That's pretty nice. 10 inches from New York City, according to this run. Let's look at Coahara. I would be about the same. I would say 8 or 9 inches. Coahara. Most of the snow will be actually west of the city. We'll have the colder temperatures, so I'll say about 8 to 10 in New York City. Pretty safe bet. Storm has definitely shifted west and it got more intense. And this thing is really taking its sweet time to load. Okay, we have to reset it. Where we are right now is to say 1,400 low. Yep. Look at that. 0.78. And that's hour 18, and that'll be here, it'll be 21. Let's check. Yep. Definitely it's moved further northwest, it looks like. In basin temperatures, we're going to be right on the rain snow line here in New York City. It's a good precipitation type. We're gonna be getting snow. Sleep looks like snow for now. I mean, if we're gonna stay all snow, we could get about, let's see. And I know it's gonna start out as snow. This is all gonna start out as snow. Even this, it's gonna be all be snow because it's actually gonna be in the low 30s most of the day today. So it looks like we're going to be getting quite a bit of snow here in the city. And now let's look to the Midwest, Southeast. Later reflectivity, just want to see if there's going to be any, what's the forecast, what's the severe weather outbreak going to look like today. Looks like eastern Georgia might see tornadoes. Also along the line segment, you might get a couple spin-ups too. Let's go to storm predictions down here. At the one-day convective outlook. Look at the wind, hail, and the tornado threat. Yep, this is exactly where I thought it was going to be too. And it looks like we can have more of a wind threat though. So tornado threat isn't that significant. Well, mild tornado threat. Looks like the cities impacted will be Montgomery, like 10%. Montgomery, Columbus, Dothan, Auburn, and Phoenix City. Even New Orleans will be in the 2%. So 5% areas will be Atlanta, Georgia, Mobile, Alabama, Monterey, significant severe would be Montgomery, Alabama, Columbus, Georgia. So, same towns. Where it's going to be significant. An enhanced risk. But why is it going to be enhanced? That's because of the wind. The enhanced and the wind go hand in hand. Well, not necessarily for tornado. Just damaging winds alone is enough to make it enhanced. But let's look at the radar again. We'll look at the GFS FE3 or the GEFS. Nothing impressive right now. At the let's look at the WRF model. This is the one that's just coming in right now. 998 basically. Oh, we're already at 992. Ooh, look at that. It's kind of impressive there. What I want to show you. Let's go to regions now. Go to Northeast. Boom. Just want to show you something. Just cool. You see that right here? It's got total precipitation accumulation here. Close to an inch. So 1, 2, 3. Maybe 1, 2, 3, between 1 and 1.25. So looking at snowfall here in the city, it should be between say 5 and 8 inches. Maybe even a little more. Right near our foot. So this would be like 11 inches. This would be like something between 8 and 10 inches for New York City. Let's see what the winter storm warning is saying. I mean, what the National Weather Service is saying. I know they just issued a winter storm warning. Yep. I would say for 5 to 8 inches of snow. Yep. 5 to 8 inches. I'll say that's a pretty good call. And let's go to Westchester. Let's go to Morristown. New Jersey. I'm expecting about 6 to 8 inches. That's also 5 to 8. Oh, thank you for watching. I'm gonna have to end this live stream now. It's I've been up since like the whole night, so I'm gonna go to bed now. Thank you for watching and good night.